Hello, everyone. This is your favorite show, Meet Charles, MC for short. Today, I tell you why you should choose Germany as your next destination for your studies. Benefits of studying in Germany are many. Why study in Germany? A question that is to be answered today. With me here to do the discussion is Miss Linda. Miss Linda, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Charles.
Yeah, maybe viewers would like to know a bit about you.
Yeah, so I'm Linda, and I went to the University for Development Studies, WA campus, and I'm currently in Germany studying my master's program in global political economy and development. And I'm so excited to be on this show.
Yeah, you're welcome to your favorite show, Meet Charles.
Thank you.
Yeah, and your profile is a bit impeccable and succinct, so brief. I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah, so viewers would like to know why they should even bother of coming to Germany to study. What are some of the benefits of studying in Germany?
Yeah, it's very interesting because when you come to Germany, Germany offers a lot and variety of higher education. There are over 409 universities and higher educational institutions that you can choose from. Now, these institutions offer English programs. And the English programs, for example, in my school, University of Kassel, ranges from nanoscience, global political economy and development. You have electrical engineering, you have physics, and all this are taught in English. So this is very important that you know that there's, English opportunity programs that you can choose from when you come to Germany. Yeah.
Yeah, so your courses are basically taught in English.
A lot of them.
Yeah, so what else can we learn again? They want to hear more.
Oh, yes. And these institutions, there are many states. So Germany is made up of 16 states, but there are a lot of states that offer free tuition schools. And once you come to the schools, all you need to do is pay semester fee. And some of these semester fees ranges from 65 euros to 300 euros. And this is not so much when you live in Germany, actually. And in this semester fee, you actually get to take transportation for free, depending on where you are. And this is a very good initiative. And also, there are scholarship opportunities. So you don't just have tuition free. There's also scholarship opportunities. The biggest is DAAD. And DAAD offers over 100,000 scholarships each year to international and German students. Yeah.
Yeah, so if I heard you well, there is tuition free in many states in Germany.
Exactly.
And students, potential students can even get scholarships.
Exactly.
Like from DAD and other institutions and agencies. Like from your home country, if you can get scholarship and come to Germany, it will help you.
Exactly.
All right. If you're watching us now, this is your favorite show, Meet Charles. We're going for a quick break. We'll be right back.
So after your school, you are actually also given 18 months to look for a job in Germany.
After your master program,
exactly,
the state gives you 18 months
exactly
to look for a job.
Exactly.
So interesting.
It is.
I like that.
It is.
We are back. Why you should consider studying in Germany. Benefits of studying in Germany. Why you should even choose Germany as your next destination for your studies. Miss Linda is still here. So tell us more.
Yeah, thank you, Charles. We also have the Erasmus Program, and this offers financial assistance to students. Now, you can go on this program for 6 to 1 year, and everything financially will be catered for. So these are for all universities that have signed the Erasmus Charter for higher education. Okay. So you should just make sure that you identify the universities that have signed this and everything financially will be catered for.
Really?
Yes, yeah.
You can come here as an exchange student.
Exactly.
Just a partner student, maybe for some 6 months, 8 months, and get back to your own university.
Exactly,
Okay,
exactly.
so-
But just make sure that you know that your university is assigned or has signed the Erasmus Charter for higher education.
There should be some kind of cooperation between your home university and the uni in Germany.
Exactly, exactly.
So nice. And what else? Tell us more.
Yes, we also have the higher quality education being offered by German universities. There are very good universities here that offer technical opportunities, medicine, engineering, agriculture. So you just have to pick the one that you are good in, and Germany is the third most popular destination among international students. Yeah.
So maybe apart from America and Canada, Germany comes next.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
that is another good
Exactly.
news. And what else?
Yeah, yeah. So aside that, Germany have about 13% or more international students here. For instance, my University of Kassel, have about 13% of international students. So you could just see that this is the opportunities that are offered to English-speaking students, yeah, that come from outside, yeah.
So we're going for a break. We'll be right back.
And then you also have a resident permit that allows you to travel all over EU countries. So for example, you can go to Spain, France, Italy, Greece, all countries that are within the EU. Your resident permit takes you there. And most of the flight charges are very, small. So you just have to figure that out, and you would be traveling all over EU.
We are back. Why you should consider coming to Germany for your studies. Benefits of studying in Germany. Why study in Germany? Miss Linda, tell us more.
Yeah, thank you, Charles, once again. Now, we have the exchange program considered under Erasmus, and this Erasmus offers financial assistance to students. So you just have to check if your university have signed the Erasmus Charter for higher education, and for 6 months to 1 year, your finances would be catered for if you go to any other university to study.
All right, so that charter or that cooperation between your home university and that uni in Germany.
Exactly.
That will enable you to come to Germany and enjoy these privileges.
Exactly.
What else?
Yeah, we also have higher and quality educational institutions in Germany. We have like top quality medical institutions, we have technical institutions, we have agric institutions. So you just have to look which one fits you best. And actually, Germany is the third most popular destination for international students.
Really?
Exactly, yeah. We have about 13% of international students. Yeah, and in terms of quality education, most master's courses have mandatory internship. So this also prepares you for the job market once you are able to do this internship before completing your master's course.
That is quite interesting.
Yeah.
So what else can we get from Germany? I wanted to come to Germany and study. What are some of the benefits?
Yeah, so you are not just here to study. The system also offers you the opportunity to work.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So students are being given the chance to also work to enable them pay their bills.
Exactly.
And enjoy other privileges.
Exactly.
So you can come to Germany and work as a student. You can work. You can come here through Erasmus Program. And just as she said, the education is quite impeccable. High quality education. So you can be doing agriculture, engineering, medicine, any technical course. Choose Germany as your next destination. We're going for a break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Miss Linda, I want you to talk about working and studying in Germany. You just finished about working in Germany. Hit on that for us.
Yeah, so in Germany, you are allowed to work as well whilst being a student. And you are allowed to work 120 days full time in a year
Okay.
and 240 days part time.
So, what else?
Yeah, so after your school, you are actually also given 18 months to look for a job in Germany.
After
Yeah,
your master program,
exactly.
the state gives you 18 months to
Exactly.
look for a job.
Exactly.
So interesting.
It
I
is.
like that.
It is.
Because I know even other countries, you cannot even get work to do as a student.
Yeah.
And Germany allows you to work.
Germany
And after you've
allows
ended
you.
your program, they give you 18 months to search for a job.
Yeah.
Quite interesting.
Yeah.
Tell us more about why I should come to Germany for studies.
The environment here is safe. Security is, it's in order. There have been security precautions in place. And mostly as students, we have night programs. We go out close 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Walking home, we feel safe. I have been here for 2 years almost, and all my friends, I have never had any sort of security issues with anybody. So the environment is also very safe and secured for students.
So you are safe and secured as a student.
You are.
Nothing just come your way. I mean, the police is in there to protect you.
The police is available.
The mentality is not even to target anyone. You can walk freely at night and
You
do
can.
whatever you want to do.
You can walk freely.
All right. So apart from security issues and apart from the work issues, what can people learn from coming to Germany, or why you should be in Germany for your studies?
So yes, importantly, when you come here, don't just be dormant in the system. Try to learn the language, even though it is not required for your English programs. One thing is, most of the universities pay for your language course to even study the German language. So you should take advantage of that. And once you're able to learn the language, you are able to also interact with Germans. You blend into the unique culture over here. You are able to learn the history of Germany. They have a lot of festivals, which is the Oktoberfest, the beer festival. So those of you who really love beer, there is variety of beer you can't even choose from.
Beer festival.
Exactly.
Oktoberfest is the date.
Exactly.
Yeah, you go there to see some brands of beer.
Exactly.
And enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
And I also know about the film festival in February, always in Berlin. Every year you get a chance to meet some film stars, some rock stars. They all come to Berlin for their film festival. So beer festival, film festival, and what else?
Oh, for football lovers, I am a soccer fan. The Bundesliga is one unique league worldwide. So yeah, you get to watch, your favorite Bayern Munich and Dortmund live in the stadium. And yes, this would be fun for all football lovers as well. So yeah. Germany, it's a unique place to study, and it's a place that international students find very interesting, not just to study, but also there are other opportunities, as we have earlier discussed, for you to explore.
All right, so I asked you this question. What about the course that you did or you're doing? Has it really positioned you in that state that allows you to analyze facts or put out facts for people to know that, yeah, you really did a course in Germany, or you're really doing a course in Germany?
Yeah, interestingly, so as I said, most of the master's courses have mandatory internship programs. And for my course, you must do an internship to be able to complete your master's program. So doing an internship, you definitely have to do it in your field of study. And definitely this is going to position you in the job market, ready you for the job market, and you would also learn on the job. So the course is not just academically taught, but you also have the opportunity for practical experiences. And this happens in most master's courses, as I'm aware.
Great news. We're taking a break here. We'll be right back. Welcome back. we are still on your favorite show, Meet Charles, the MC show, you can call it. Why you should come to Germany for your master's or bachelor's degree. Why choose Germany? Why you should consider coming to Germany for studies. Tell us more, Miss Linda.
Yeah, so because of the percentage of international students here, Germany gives you diversity, there's also great exposure and you have international mindset. Not forgetting you're able to build network across the world, because once you are able to meet people from other parts of the world, you have great networks established and you can take advantage of this network someday.
And this network comes from going for conferences, seminars, and other shows in Germany.
Exactly.
What else can we add?
Yeah, just because you mentioned, going for conferences, coming into mind, my master's course, for example, there are a lot of conferences that are offered, that are organized, that is, attached to this master's course. So you have the opportunity to attend these conferences, and all of them, or majority of them, are free of charge. Yeah. And then you also have a resident permit that allows you to travel all over EU countries. So, for example, you can go to Spain, France, Italy, Greece, all countries that are within the EU. Your resident permit takes you there. And most of the flight charges are very, small. So you just have to figure that out and you would be traveling all over EU.
So you are here studying, but you can travel across Europe, Central Europe, all the Schengen states.
Exactly.
Like Italy, France, and what have you.
Exactly.
That is so nice for students who would like to come to
It
Germany.
is.
Your last submission, Ms. Linda?
Yes, I would want to just encourage anybody who wants to go for a higher education abroad. Germany is one of the best destinations in the world. Don't be scared of, taking that, step to apply and come over here to study. As we have already mentioned, there are variety and numerous opportunities out here that you can explore. So take that step and come to Germany and study here.
So others did it. Be motivated. Just apply. Think about ways of getting here and come and enjoy some of these benefits. Thank you for watching this show.